What's up guys, welcome back to the shop. I'm Greg from Masterson's Car Care, and today I'm gonna show you how to clean wheels with our Masterson's Wheel and Rim Cleaner Gel. Now in the shop we have this NSX with wheels that haven't been cleaned in years. There's built up brake dust, heavy metallic dirt, and grime on the wheels, and we're gonna show you the best way to pull that off using our Masterson's Wheel and Rim Cleaner Gel. Now this is a concentrated gel formula, so it's designed to stick on the wheel and pull off metallic dust, brake dust, exhaust fumes, any type of debris that are stuck on the wheel, whether you have a truck or a car. And this is safe on all wheels, so it's gonna work on your OEM finish. Now this comes in a 16 ounce and this comes in a gallon size, so if you're a pro or an at-home detailer, we got the right size for you. Now let's go ahead and show you guys how to clean the wheels with the Masterson's Wheel and Rim Cleaner Gel. So now let's go ahead and start cleaning the wheels. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna give it a good pressure wash and remove any type of heavy contamination that's on the wheel. So let's go ahead and rinse it off first. Now that we got all the wheel rinsed off, let's go ahead and first start cleaning the wheel with our Wheel and Rim Cleaner Gel. We have it diluted right here, 4:1 in our dilution bottle with a high quality Toco sprayer. Let's go ahead and spray it all over the wheel. Now I like this wheel cleaner because it's concentrated and easy to use, and you can also spray it on the tires as well. So don't be afraid to get on tires, wheels, brake parts, it's gonna work all. Now we're going to take a wet brush and we're just going to start scrubbing the surface. Now that we got all the wheel cleaned and scrubbed, we're gonna go ahead and rinse it off with clean water. Now our wheel and tire setup is perfectly clean and ready for the road. Now if you're looking for a fast and easy wheel and tire cleaner, check out our Masterson's Wheel and Rim Cleaner Gel in the 16 ounce and the gallon size. Now I'm Greg from Masterson's. We'll see you next time. Always remember, have fun, stay clean, and keep on detailing.